What do you think will the world be like if it will be filled with male and female copies of you? Oh, yeah. So, what do you think will be the world like if there will be the filled with male and female copies of you, male and female copies of you? How do I supposed to, like, I am the male, so I should supposed to be imagine that ki in the entire world there is every person is exactly look like me, every person is me. Okay, yeah. But female person is how do I supposed to imagine myself in a female body? I don't know, might be I'm not really understand this question, but still let me read this again. What do you think will the world be like if will be filled with male and female copies of you, male and female? Okay, so probably I think that this question is actually asking me the people is exactly like you, they are exactly look like you, they actually exactly thought like you as a male. Female might be kind of like that ki my version of female, like I also look like little bit of female without beard, without, but as a female body. And like there is a male and female exactly like me. Okay, yeah. So what is actually the problem, like what is actually the world that you could imagine? Well, probably is this thing that ki if that such thing gonna happen, then this is not good thing. Yeah, literally not. Why? Couple of reason. Okay, first of all is that ki let's talk about step by step innovation and problem solving. Okay, so can I innovate? No, I won't be able to innovate. Why? Because like I can do innovate, but not really that much. What do you mean by that? Like just an example is that ki um like like basically there are some certain characteristic do I have, what kind of like a characteristic that ki I can good communicate. Okay, I do have kind of like a skills in kind of like a creative field, but I won't be able to innovate that much. Why? Because of that I don't really have that much knowledge about science. Yeah, I have little bit knowledge about a theoretical knowledge, but I don't really have that much kind of like a practical knowledge. Okay, yeah. So if the everyone in this entire world is exactly like me, how they would kind of like a innovate? Because all those people are exactly like me. How does they innovate? It is not. Okay. It is really essential to understand that ki the world has to grow by the multiple peoples. हर एक इंसान की अलग अलग सोच होती है, अलग अलग थॉट प्रोसेस होता है. एंड व्हेन ऑल दोज थॉट प्रोसेस, ऑल दोज इंफॉर्मेशन, ऑल द नॉलेज गैदर एट सेम टाइम, then we create something. Okay, so if we have a kind of like a same mind, then how would we supposed to innovate ourselves? Probably we won't. Yeah, we won't. Next point, communication. um Communication, yes. Well, still these are also kind of like a thing that ki like I don't know. Communication. Okay, yeah. So okay, yeah, there is a kind of like a something like good possibility that we would have good communication. What do you mean by that? So first of all is that when you try to explain things to such a person who is not really understand you, what do you mean by that? चलो मान लेते हैं कि you are a kind of like a team leader of some certain company. Okay, and you have a employee. Okay, you have kind of like a in your team you have employee of 5 4 people of employee. You have to teach them about some certain thing, that ki this is the product, you have to design that way, that way, that way, that way. Okay, yeah. You actually kind of like investing time, knowledge, experience to a such a people that they don't really know anything about that. After some certain time, 4 or 5 out of like a 3 out of 5 people are kind of like a something like going good, but 2 people are not actually working that well. Why? Because they are not attending that much properly. Why? Because their thought process is kind of like a something really very different. Okay, yeah, this is the problem is actually happen in the real world. So that's why we just try to communicate, that's why we just try to create the system that we should supposed to be follow this process, that process, that process, and that process. Okay, if there is a person is exactly like me in the entire world, communication might be that much easy. Why? Because of that, I shouldn't supposed to be kind of like a teach myself, because I already knew this thing. So obviously the other person is always knew that thing. Or if that other person is exactly like me but he didn't really know about that knowledge, then I could teach him and he could easily understand that. Why? Because the grasping power that I have is exactly the grasping power that he has, because he is exactly copy of me. So communication is might not that much problem. Okay, communication is always be a good. Yeah. Next point, lack of diversity. Yeah, diversify or diversity. Yeah, I already mentioned that key world is actually grow according to like people needs to be different from each other. Okay, when they have kind of like a different thought process, different thing, different, like completely opposite, it's kind of like a something very essential. Yeah, example like just an example is that World War II. Okay, from every point of perspective, World War II happen is a bad thing. Yeah, but after the World War II, sorry, after the World War II, the world understand that ki what is exactly the war. Okay, and there is no kind of like a something like profit in this war, because both the party like a losing party and winning party are kind of like a lose something, humans, land, infrastructure, properties, lots of things. Okay, then the World War II happened, we understand the consequences and we created United Nation. The purpose of United Nations so that we won't be able to face such consequences again. Okay, so this is really essential that ki when we have that kind of like a consequences actually happen with a different thought process. Different thought process actually happen because of that there are different people live in this planet. Okay, yeah, if there is a people is exactly like me and I am kind of like a something very calm person, then we won't be able to do war. Okay, so हमारे like we don't really have kind of like a something really a differences. Okay, because each and every person has a similar thought process. Okay, diversify is really essential. Okay, not only kind of like a something really understanding the consequences but grow too. ओके, क्योंकि कभी कभी चीज़ों को गलत होना भी इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि what is actually wrong thing happened and what is actually the mistake was happened, and we try to figure out that mistake so that we could develop ourselves. Okay, if we won't be able to make mistakes, how do we supposed to grow? Diversify is really essential. And if the every person is exactly like me or copy of me, how would that diversify is gonna happen? No. Then social dynamics. Well, I'm not really sure about the social dynamics. Extreme. So these are kind of like a something really things that would happen if the people is exactly like me or copy of me. Yeah, this is it. Thank you.